My name is Abdullah Snowbar. I'm the Executive Director for the DMZ at Ryerson University, and it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to the first ever Pitch at Palace Canada, and congrats to all the wonderful entrepreneurs that made it here today. Congrats. I want to give a very special welcome to His Royal Highness, the Duke of York, who is the driving force behind this very program and the reason why we are all here today. Next, no stranger, we have next Dougal of Synergy Disc Replacement for 3 minutes. Neil.
Thank you. Well, hello, bonjour again. My name is Neil Dougal, and I'm here with Steve Farlow, Chair of the Board of Synergy Disc Replacement, Inc. What is Synergy Disc? It is the first and only artificial disc that provides movement and alignment to the spine. Why is that important? Because by providing alignment, we can increase the addressable patient population and market by 50%. The spinal implant market is valued at $8 billion globally. Everyone in this room will have pain from a degenerated disc. If you needed surgery, there is no perfect option. We could do a fusion, which could correct your alignment but limit your movement. Or we could do one of the current artificial discs, which give you movement but sacrifices alignment. The Synergy disc provides a solution by giving you the alignment of a fusion with the movement of an artificial disc. I am a practicing neurosurgeon, and in 2002, I was given the incredible honor of being selected to be the first surgeon in North America to perform a disc replacement. Well, it didn't go that well because there was a problem with alignment. So, working with a group of brilliant engineers, we set out to solve the problem of alignment and created a new geometry. And in 2009, we performed the first clinical case using the Synergy disc. Since then, here's what we've accomplished. 55 issued patents, 550 worldwide surgeries with no adverse events. We have revenue in the UK, Australia, and Germany. We have approval for our FDA trial. We've attracted the world-class leaders with an innovative pipeline, and we've managed $14 million in angel funding. In 2018, a transformational event occurred for the company. The third largest global spine company in the world validated our technology and became our second largest shareholder. Why did they take interest in Synergy disc? Because we solved the problem of alignment, which is the root cause of many people's spinal challenges. We have momentum, but we face some challenges. Grow the company and scale the company globally. Start and finish an FDA trial with 175 patients, despite having done 550 patients worldwide. How can you help? Here is our ask. Connect us with the medical community and the decision makers at the NHS and healthcare investment leaders that will help us realize our vision of being the first global Canadian spine company. Thank you for hearing our story.
Thank you very much, Neil. You mentioned this in the beginning, but why does your product increase the market by 50%?
So, 50% of people in the room have a military posture. They're straight and upright. And if that person, and you know when your mom said stand up straight, well, there was a reason for that. By having proper alignment, you can have an artificial disc. But 50% of us have an alignment like this. And if you put an artificial disc in, it makes it worse. Just take your head and move it forward for a few minutes. You can see you'll engage all the muscles in your neck and you'll get neck pain. Synergy disc is the only disc that can treat 100% of patients.
Amazing. Thank you, Neil.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.